Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is a nightclub slow dance clip showing you how to do a reverse turn. Assuming you've already done a basic and some of the other nightclub slow dance, you're going to be ready to do this. It's not one of the easiest moves for when you first start out, and as usual we'll sandwich it between two basics. So let's jump straight in and we'll show you the reverse turn. It goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's break it down. First things first, if we do exactly the same thing starting from another angle, so you can actually see it, we'll do our basic first. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We send the lady back exactly the same as usual on 1, and the guys step forwards, but they step wide at the same time. So we send the lady back and the guys make themselves some space down the side. We're also going to bring the hand narrow because we're going to bring the lady forwards and rotate her to the left as we take our second step, and our second step is going to go forwards. So we're turning the lady to the left, bringing her forwards, and we step past onto the right. We're going to drag the right hand and re-pick up the shoulder. And as we come round, we can then do 3 and 4 as usual, to the left and to the right from the leader's point of view, and then just one basic to finish. Let's do that again from a different angle. So we'll do our basic, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys go wide as the ladies go straight back. Guys continue forwards as we bring the lady around in a rotation to her left. We go past, slide the hand, pick up the shoulder blade, and then turning to face the lady, we get to go left, right, finish with a basic, 1, 2, 3, 4. The only thing I would say that you need to be particularly careful of is while you rotate the lady, if I do it from here, if you rotate the lady to her left and you drag the right hand, you need to be careful that the hand goes down and then back up to pick up the shoulder, because I've seen people who aren't thinking about what they're doing and they drag the hand straight across areas they're not meant to go. Obviously you want to avoid that. So let's try it together. I'll call it and we'll see how we do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go wide to the left, side, side, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that gives you an extra tool when you're out on the dance floor doing your nightclub slow dance. I hope you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking means you'll promote the move, which is great. Subscribing will mean you promote the channel, which is fabulous. So thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out. I'll pop a music recommendation on the end, something nice to dance this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some nightclub slow dance. There is a link to some music that is good to dance nightclub slow dance too. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You're helping us to make more clips. Keep dancing, everybody.